Within the past couple of hours, Supreme Court justices extended the deadline to make a decision on abortion pill restrictions, keeping current access in place for at least 2 more days. Nicole Saganga is at the Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court has extended its deadline to decide whether to keep a commonly used abortion pill on the market. Justice Samuel Alito extended a stay until Friday, giving them more time to consider whether to uphold the decision of a federal judge in Texas to revoke FDA approval for mifepristone.
We are prepared for any outcome the Supreme Court may issue, and we are prepared for a long legal fight if necessary.
Judge Matthew Kacsmaryk, a Trump appointee, ruled that the FDA improperly approved the drug 23 years ago. An appeals court later ruled that mifepristone's approval should stand, but that amended rules allowing the prescription to be given without seeing a doctor should be halted.
That was the rule up until the Biden administration. The Fifth Circuit has said that's the rule that ought to stand. That seems very reasonable to me.
6 of the 9 judges on the Supreme Court are conservative. That makeup led to the overturning of Roe versus Wade, but that doesn't mean that the majority here will side with the Texas judge who initially issued this ruling. The justices have typically not been very lenient on cases where there doesn't seem to be legal standing for the challenges. To get a case into federal court, you have to show you've suffered some harm and have a stake in the case. That may be tough to prove when the drug has already been on the market for more than 2 decades. Critics say allowing the mifepristone ruling to stand may open the courts up to all kinds of new challenges. Nicole Saganga, CBS News, the Supreme Court.